9 signs that somebody may be hiding their feeling for you. Sign number 1. They will pay you a lot of attention. Are they regularly inviting you out, calling and texting you, asking your friends about you? If the answer is yes, then it's appeared that there is already a foundation relationship which has been established. The best indicator of a crush, love, or attraction is attention. What a person does and how he or she act around you explain everything you just need to know. Remember to observe with your eyes and not just with your heart. Sign number 2. Their body language will be different around you. Are they facing and leaning towards you when they talk to you? Are their gestures they open, relaxed and welcoming? You have probably heard before that the body doesn't lie. So if you want to know how to tell if someone likes you or not, pay close attention to what this person's body is telling you. People who have relaxed and open body posture, generally this may show that the person is okay with being vulnerable around you and trust you enough to let you into his or her comfort zone. It can be sign of trust, respect and oftentimes even care. Just make sure that you don't confuse romantic interest with shyness because shyness doesn't necessarily indicate romantic attraction. Sign number 3. Pay attention to their eye contact and non-verbal communication. Do you notice that they look at you more often? The next time you are with the person in question, note how you often look at you. Harvard psychologist Jack Rubin found a correlation between eye contact and love. In his study, couples deeply in love look at one another 75% of the time while you're talking, while people engaged in conversation only look at each other about 30 to 60% of the time. If he or she want to leave a good long lasting impression by sounding enthusiastic, inquisitive and jolly, it's dead giveaway that the person likes your company and cares about your impression of them. So try to figure out if he or she is putting in a lots of effort. If they are cheerful, smile frequently and talk more than usual, this could be a sign that this person is into you. Sign number 4. They will do things to show that they care. Do they text you or call you after you spend time together to make sure you got home safe? Do they ask about your friends about you? Do they offer to help you without even asking them first? When someone takes interest in your well-being, it may be another sign that they are care about you are and how you are doing or feeling it. It can be subtle things which could easily be confused with caring friendship. But if you find that they will go out for their way to check in with you, then it is possible that they have a crush on you or have feeling for you. Sign number 5. They may be overly curious about you. Do you find them asking you a question about you and your life? Do you find that they want to know more about you and what makes you, who are you? People who are trying to get to know others may be hiding their feeling behind their burning curiosity. It might be so that they can communicate in your language and talk about the things you enjoy talking about. Asking you a lot of questions essentially intends to encourage you to talk about yourself and open about your life. This is basic human technique that most of us use on a daily basis, perhaps without even knowing. Just bear in mind that a person who likes you will ask questions subliminally and often without awareness, with the intention of developing more of a relationship with you. Sign number 6. They may offer you a compliment and affection. Does he or she compliment your looks, clothing style, taste in music, and so on? Do compliment means anything at all? Attitude play a huge role in whether a person like you or not when it comes to a relationship, so pay close attention to how a person communicates to you. It's so important that we should not assume that just because somebody compliment you, that means they like you in a romantic way. However, it also doesn't mean that if somebody doesn't compliment you, that they aren't into you. Some people just don't know how to compliment or might not feel comfortable doing so. However, if you notice that they are compliment you more, that may be sign that the person is interested in you because he or she wants them to make you feel good. This person wants you to like them and give him or her validation that he or she craves. The person in question may be investing in you and want you to feel secure and comfortable around him or her.